And now we'll gather some fresh nettle. It's best to pick it before it blooms. It has both juicy and powerful leaves with lots of vitamins and minerals. And then we'll brew it with sorrel leaves. We'll add like 10% of sorrel leaves for a taste. We take tops. See, tops, and we take with the stem because stem, when it brewed, will become soft. Because we're taking only tops, but it's okay. Okay, and we'll take 1 pound of it. All right, I got my nettle, fresh, juicy nettle. Remember, the May is the best time to pick the nettle before it blooms. Powerful. Okay, I'm bringing home. Here sliced, and the weight is 2.6. With the bowl is 1.6 pound. So we have 1 pound of nettle, and 1 pound of nettle we will put, and we put 4.4 ounces of pink salt, Himalayan salt. Add the salt inside the bowl. And then we'll mix it again very well with salt until we see the juice. And look at all this nettle juice. See, it gives juice. Natural, I didn't add any water into it. Look how juicy it is. Wow. We will wash sorrel leaf. It's like a nettle. Okay, ready to slice. Now I'm going to slice sorrel and put it together and mix together with nettle. Look at all this nettle. How juicy is it? Look at this juice. I didn't put any water into it. It's all natural. All this powerful vitamins, minerals, elements that inside all you're getting. It's raw. This is sorrel. I just sliced it, and I'll put together with nettle and mix it into the same bowl to have pleasant taste. Nettle mixes very well with sorrel. Okay, now I'm going to mix it. And one more important thing you have to do when you put in a bottle, put the content nettle with sorrel, you have to take this and push it all the way down. Push it all the way down until all sits tight in the jar. See what I'm doing? All juice coming up. And see, and it's all the way down. And now I put in this smaller, because it's better, in smaller bottles, jars, and see juices on the top. And the thing you have to do is slightly cover, do not tighten it up. If you want to brew it, leave for 3 days outside on the sunlight and cover with the cover slightly. And from time to time, you take this wooden stick and just make a few holes inside to improve to speed up the brewing process. That's it. So, one bottle is ready. Look at this. Don't tighten it up, just to put it and cover. Okay. This is how you brew nettle and sorrel. And you keep it in the refrigerator and use over entire season and winter season, winter, spring season. Look at this beautiful nettle. All right, Until next time, thank you for watching.